Your facial moisturizer is failing you. It cannot reach the deep layers where sagging actually starts. To fix deep wrinkles and a disappearing jawline, you must restart your internal collagen engine. I am revealing the exact bone broth ritual that rebuilds your facial scaffolding from within. This isn't just soup, it is a natural facelift in a cup. By the end of this video, you will have the 30-day protocol to lift your cheeks naturally. Before we dive into the science, make sure to subscribe to Vital 50 Plus for more evidence-based rituals to stay vibrant. As we cross the age of 50, our skin's internal support system begins to crumble. Think of your skin like a house where the wooden beams are starting to rot. Topical creams are like a fresh coat of paint on the outside of that house. They make the surface look nice, but they cannot fix the rotting beams underneath. The real cause of sagging cheeks and deep nasolabial folds is the loss of structural collagen. According to a study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science, collagen production drops by about 1% every year after age 20. By our 50s, the scaffolding that holds our facial contours firmly in place is thinning out. To lift the jawline, we must talk to the cells called fibroblasts. These cells are responsible for building new skin fibers deep within the dermis. The most powerful fuel for these cells is an amino acid called glycine. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that our bodies often lack enough glycine for optimal collagen synthesis. Myrobones and connective tissues are the world's richest natural sources of this beauty molecule. When you simmer these bones slowly, you extract a mineral-rich elixir that works like internal bioremodeling. Instead of temporary fillers, you are providing the literal building blocks of firm skin. This ritual targets the fascia layer, which is the thin tissue between your muscle and skin. When this layer is hydrated and strong, your cheeks look naturally lifted and full. This is how we restart the engine that age has slowed down. Want younger skin? You absolutely need the perfect recipe, right? Start with a mix of marrow bones and cartilage-heavy knuckles. Marrow bones provide healthy fats, while knuckles are packed with type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is often called youth collagen because it keeps skin supple and bouncy. The National Institutes of Health confirms that these specific proteins are essential for tissue repair and skin elasticity. Place your bones in a large pot and cover them completely with filtered water. Now, add 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar. This acidic catalyst is non-negotiable for pulling minerals like calcium and magnesium out of the bone. Without it, you are just making soup. With it, you are making medicine for your skin. Set your heat to the lowest possible setting for a slow, 24-hour simmer. High heat can damage delicate proteins and degrade the anti-aging minerals you need. A low and slow simmer ensures the liquid becomes thick and gelatinous once cooled. This jiggle is the visual proof that your broth is loaded with concentrated collagen. To boost the skin-clearing effect, add a handful of celery and carrots during the last few hours. Vegetables like carrots are rich in vitamin A, which supports skin cell turnover. The Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry notes that slow cooking preserves these antioxidants better than boiling. Once finished, strain the liquid and let it cool until the fat rises to the top. This golden liquid is now a potent, mineral-rich tool to iron out your wrinkles from the inside. By drinking this, you are hydrating the extracellular matrix that prevents skin from drooping. To turn this broth into a skin-lifting switch, you must understand bioavailability. Your body needs a specific on-switch to absorb collagen effectively. That switch is vitamin C, which acts as a cofactor in the collagen synthesis process. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, vitamin C is essential for stabilizing the collagen molecule. Before drinking your broth, squeeze in half a fresh lemon or add a pinch of camu. Camu powder. This ensures the amino acids are actually used to rebuild your facial scaffolding. Timing is also crucial for the best results. Drink 1 warm cup of this elixir on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. This allows the glycine to be diverted directly to your tissues, rather than being used for heavy digestion. To accelerate the lift, pair your daily ritual with 5 minutes of facial lymphatic drainage. Gently massage your jawline and cheeks in an upward motion after drinking your broth. This microcirculation technique helps deliver the nutrients to your skin cells more efficiently. Now, let's look at your 30-day transformation protocol. During week 1, you may notice improved hydration and a more rested appearance. By week 3, the skin density around your nasolabial folds begins to improve. Look for a redefined jawline and a natural glow that comes from internal mineral balance. To sustain these results, incorporate leafy greens and berries into your daily meals. These antioxidants protect your new collagen from being damaged by the sun or pollution. By following this ritual, you are not just fighting gravity. You are reclaiming your skin's youthful integrity. Stay consistent, nourish your body from within, and watch your reflection change. Thank you for watching Videl 50+, and I will see you in the next video.